Yo, what is going on, guys? This is Michael Shear, second favorite tour host. Hey, it took me so long to find out this little trick that I think I'm just going to put it on my YouTube for everybody else who may have a Mercedes Benz C300, because this just saved me, or I had to look through comments on a YouTube video to figure out what I was doing wrong. So to update, and all these videos are like 2 years old. So hey, here we are. We got a Mercedes Benz C300, and I've actually just got done doing the oil change, the brake fluid flush, and all the safety checks that are necessary for the service B checkup that happens at 40,000 miles on your Mercedes Benz vehicle. But unfortunately, because I had my own mechanic do it, and saving me $600, might I add, he did not reset the light. But I figured it out. And so for those guys that are out there struggling to get this, I'm telling you, it's really simple. It's this little bitty thing. There's just like a little tweak to it that most people won't know until they're shown. So here it is. All right, so as you see, service B overdue by 2,300 miles. What I am going to do is make sure the car's shut off, of course. Open up the door, shut it. It should go off. Here, let me open the door. Shut it. Hold on, I gotta, obviously I'm gonna mess up while trying to show this off to everybody. So, you know, here we go, the struggles. Maybe I just need to, because you got to be in the right mode for this to happen, because I don't want to hit the button too many times. I want to show you guys. All right, so here's how you know if you're in the right mode. So if you have pressed the button too many times, all the dials on the right side will show up. So if you notice, like the ABS, the engine showing up, the gasoline, all that good stuff showing up on the left side there. You want to make sure that that is not popped up when you press the button. So when you press the button, it should just look just like this. Here's the trick. You have to have your oh, there, finally it's doing it. So what you want is, whenever you click the button and turn it on, you want the miles showing up. So what I had to do was, I was actually down here on miles per hour. But once I moved all the way back up to the top, showing my miles and actually on the car, then it works. This is the trick here. So what you want to do is, you want to hold down the back button until the trip shows up, and you're just going to click this little touchpad button one time. And you'll notice, boom, this is how you know if you got it right or not. You'll have vehicle data show up. And then there's the dynamometer test, the brake pad replacement, and then the assist plus. Click on assist plus. It has to switch on the ignition to activate the assist plus. Then you'll hit that touchpad again, because to get that reset light off, you'll come over to, scrolling down, of course, to full service, confirm service, 22.52. Service carried out. Yes. Once you confirm this cannot be undone, I understand, I confirm. Full service is carried out. And you're done. And then I'll hit the back button a couple times. Go to the home. Hit the brake, turn on the car. And we are out of there. I want to make sure this goes off. So I may have to turn the car back all the way off. So as you see, remaining distance till the next change has to happen is 365 days or 10,000 miles. All right. But that is all. Pretty long video for a pretty simple task. But honestly, guys, that one little trick right there, making sure that your miles are showing, is the trick to making sure that once you hit the back button and then you hit your touchpad, that's when the actual vehicle data menu will pop up. Then you go to the Assist Plus, so on and so forth. Just go back, and if you missed any part of that, just go back and watch the video again. I hope this helps somebody out, because man, this saved me. This could have saved me so much time if I would have just read the comments sooner on this. But if you enjoy this content, if you are looking for any type of Turo information, and you're a small business owner in any type of way, and I'm sharing business credit ideas, stuff of that nature, please hit the like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care, y'all.